That's the problem with drinking, I thought as I poured myself a drink. If something bad happens to you, you drink in order to forget it. If something good happens to you, you drink in order to celebrate. And if nothing happens to you, you drink to make something happen. Charles Bukowski. Many people go out for dinner and have a drink or two and wish they could make something like that at home. Well, you can. With a few simple ingredients and tools, anyone can be their own bartender. I'm a bartender at a restaurant in Metairie. I feel like I'm qualified to give this speech. It's always nice to have some experience making your own drinks. In this speech, I will talk about why you should know how to make your own drinks, what you need to know to make your own drinks, and then demonstrate how to make a tequila sunrise. Everyone may not want to know how to make their own cocktails, but they should. According to US News, due to the pandemic, all of your favorite restaurants and bars are closing in the state of Louisiana. This will make getting your favorite cocktails very difficult. So therefore, you should learn how to make your own cocktails. Learning how to make your own drinks is also a fun hobby and a good skill to have. Let's learn. Here are some things you should know before creating cocktails. According to drinks.ng, the article written by David Massafin, some tools that you need to know before creating your cocktails are a jigger, a shaker, a muddler, and a bar spoon. Each of these tools will make making a cocktail more sufficient. In Claire McFlaherty's article, 7 Bartending Terms and What They Mean, she goes over a few terms that everyone should know. She talks about a chaser, which is a small amount of liquor that comes after the shot. Another term that she speaks of is on the rocks, which means your cocktail is served on the rocks with ice. Whereas neat means no ice and up means chilled but served without ice. In the article, The Different Types of Liquor, A Bartender's Guide, knowing the difference between liqueurs and liquors is very important. Liqueurs have a small amount of liquor in them, but a lot of sugar. They're mainly used to flavor a drink. There are 7 types of liquors every bartender should know. These are vodka, gin, rum, tequila, whiskey, brandy, and vermouth. Now let's get mixing. To create a tequila sunrise, you will need a jigger, a glass, and the ingredients will be orange juice, grenadine, and silver tequila. Here we have the glass of ice, where you will pour 1.5 ounces of tequila into the glass of ice. This is the jigger. Then you will use 3/4 cups of orange juice, which I pre-measured, and you will add it to the mix. And then you will top with grenadine. And the grenadine kind of sinks to the bottom because it's a heavier liquid, and it gives this very cool effect of a sunrise. Now to garnish this drink, you can use an orange slice or maraschino cherries. And that's your tequila sunrise. Making your own cocktails is very fun and simple. Many people go out for a cocktail or two and want to make their own at home. And you can with simple tools and ingredients. Anyone can be their own bartender. Now time to make your drink, sit back, and relax.